Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on how to log in. In today's video, I will show you how you can get logged into your ChatGPT account. It's a really quick and easy video, so make sure to follow all the steps and stick till the end. And now before we start the video, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's get straight into it. Firstly, you need to open up any web browser on your PC. And there you have to search for chat.openai.com and press enter on your keyboard. As soon as you do that, you will be landed to this type of page where you will be able to see two buttons on your screen. Now if you haven't created your ChatGPT account yet, you can tap on sign up button and follow all the steps till the end to create your ChatGPT account. Now if you already have created a ChatGPT account, then you can tap on login button and then you will take into the login page of ChatGPT. Now you will be able to see three options to get logged into your ChatGPT account. Now if you have created your account using your email account, then you have to type your email address here and then tap on continue button. But if you have created your ChatGPT account using your Google account or your Microsoft account, then you have to tap one of these options. And then you have to tap on your Google account and then you will be able to get logged into your ChatGPT account instantly. Now, if you have created your account using your email address, then type in your email address here. And once you're done with typing in your email address, tap on continue button. And then you will take into the next page where you have to enter your account password. Now, if you want to double check your password, you can do that by tapping on eye icon to reveal your password. And if in case you have forgotten your password, you can retrieve it by tapping on forget password link. And once you're done with typing in your username and the password of your account, you can tap on continue button in order to get logged into your account. And once you tap on continue button, you will be directly landed to the dashboard of ChatGPT. Now that was the quick and easy video on how you can get logged into your ChatGPT account. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, then make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.